In this video, I'll be going over some of the homework answers to the section 10.1 day 3 homework, which is on page 595, problems 36 through 45, 57, 59, and 60. This section is all about sigma notation, which is asking you to add the terms of a sequence, and this is just a different way to represent everything instead of writing out all of those terms. So in problem 39, for instance, they want you to add up starting with the second term and going to the seventh term. So the way that I would write this out would be like this. Second term, I would do 2 squared minus 6 times 2 plus 1. And then I would start a new term, and I would use 3, because that's the next number in the sequence. 3 squared minus 6 times 3 plus 1. And then I would do that again for 4. And then I would do that again for 5. And then 6. And then I would end at 7. There it is. Okay, so I add all of those together. And from there, I have to basically find them all first before I can add them together, which is the painful part. So I'm going to grab my calculator. The first one's going to be -7. The next one's going to be -8. The next one's going to be -7. The next one's going to be -4. 1 and 8. So let's add these up. -7 plus -8 plus -7 plus -4 plus 1 plus 8 gives me an answer of -17. And just to verify here, let me check that answer. That is correct. Same thing's going to happen for maybe like number 43. I picked kind of a different looking one with this fraction. So for 43, it would be 7 times 1/10 raised to the second power plus 7 times 1/10 raised to the, I'm going to plug in 2, that would be 4th power, and there would be 7 times 1/10 to the 6th power. So let me go ahead and find each term here. So 1/10 squared times 7 is 0.07 plus 1/10 raised to the 4th power times 7 is 0.0007, and then you can probably see where this is going. 6 power, and then multiply by 7, yep, so that's 5 zeros. Okay, so 0.000007, and that would be 0.07, so 070707. Aha. Now it doesn't go on forever because it just went up to the third term, but if it did go forever, so like if the sigma started at 1 and went to infinity, you know, this would be 0.07 repeating, but in this case, it's just this decimal right here. All right, last one here, basically same type of issue, but we're going to do it in reverse. If they give you the series, write out sigma notation, and it kind of tells you where to start. So it says that the end value is 2. So these are perfect cubes. So this is 2 to the third, this is 3 to the third, this is 4 to the third, and this is 10 to the third. So they're taking the k value and they're cubing it. So what number do we end with? What's our last term? Well, at 2, and then it ends at 10. There we go. There's your quick video.